Hey New Yorkers, is your sidewalk or curb showing its age? Uneven surfaces can be a tripping hazard for you and your neighbors. At NY Concrete, we specialize in sidewalk and curb repairs. Our team of experts will ensure a smooth and safe walking experience for your property and the community. Contact NY Concrete today for a free estimate and get your sidewalk looking its best. Today, our crew tackles 800 square feet of sidewalk and 100 linear feet of curb repair, so let's get to work without wasting any time. Every successful construction project starts with a solid foundation. For this crucial step, we remove existing dirt and compact the ground with machine compactor to create a stable and level base for the upcoming construction. Then we install wire mesh for concrete reinforcement. Remember, proper installation is key. The wire mesh needs to be positioned correctly to achieve optimal reinforcement throughout the concrete. Now comes the moment of truth, the pour. Before pouring the concrete, we need to set up forms. These wood frames establish the size and shape of your sidewalk. We ensure they're stable and secure to prevent concrete from bulging or leaking. We pour the concrete in sections and use a long-handled tool to ensure even distribution. This helps prevent voids and uneven settling. Once poured, we use different tools to create a smooth, level surface. This not only enhances the aesthetics, but also improves water drainage. Now we use magic trowel to achieve the flawless finish. For New Yorkers, sidewalks are more than just concrete. They're our connection to the city's energy. That's why we're dedicated to creating the perfect pedestrian experience. And here you go, the perfect sidewalk is almost ready for you. That's all for today, folks. Stay tuned for our next video.